surrounding by another great place to work celebration or event because we can't celebrate you enough again for making us great.
I was born to fly and spread these wings and find my own. I am coming home. Today will be the day. It all will change. No one's in my way. Today will be the day. Today will be the day. I was made to dream that anything
And so we're one of the first three in the Philippines to be awarded and certified as Great Place to Work. And then while we hit it right on the head, Cebu is not just a great place to work, it is the greatest place to work.
today will be the day, it all will change. No one's in my way. Today will be the day. Today will be the day. Today will be the day. This is the day for what I was made. This is the day. This is the day. Today will be.
Hi everyone, I'm Medyo Maldito
And I am the Princess, and congratulations, Sydney.
for being a great place to work certified. Congrats guys!
Synchrony, this is Kurt Fick. I'd just like to congratulate you guys for being a certified great place to work. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, congrats.
Guys, I'm Enzo Pineda,
And I'm Michelle.
and we just would want to congratulate Synchrony Cebu for being a certified great place to work with.
For 2019.
No one's in my way. Today will be the day. This is the day for what I was made. This is the day. This is the day.
Synchrony is a great place to work because we offer great benefits to our employees and we promote work-life balance.
What makes Synchrony a great place to work is our unique shared values, like how we take care of each other. But most importantly, what makes Synchrony a greatest place to work is every one of us. Every single one of us who's working hard and making valuable contributions to our business. And for that, I am proud and will always take pride to be part of Synchrony.